To view software that is installed on a remote device, navigate to the Device Management tab. Locate your device. Expand the details and navigate to the Software tab under the device you were searching for. Here you can see any applications that were installed, including the information such as revision numbers and the install date. You can also view any drivers that are installed, and then any Windows services that are installed. These can also be exported into a CSV file.